Business groups hammered Governor Pritzker's progressive tax at a series of press events today, warning it could kill jobs and slow wage growth. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell has the latest in the fight over the future of Illinois' income rates.
If we don't pass this constitutional amendment.
Business groups in four corners of the state took aim Tuesday at Governor Pritzker's biggest campaign promise
of the so-called fair tax.
If you think unemployment is bad now,
they warned raising taxes on the rich could have costly consequences.
many businesses that haven't already shut down perhaps will have to shut down due to this outrageous progressive income tax.
To absorb the tax increases, small businesses who are the backbone of employers in the state of Illinois would have to reduce workforce, freeze salaries, reduce benefits, cut hours, and increase the cost of goods sold.
If voters approve a graduated income tax rate structure, the first round of changes would only raise taxes on people who make more than $250,000 a year, or people in the top 3%.
Somebody else is going to pay the tab. Well, guess what? That somebody else is you.
But you can hear the drumbeat coming. This is all about bait and switch. They're going to call it a fair tax, but what it is the elimination of the constitutional protection of a single rate.
50 years ago, before he was Speaker of the House, a young Mike Madigan helped to write the Illinois state constitution we have today. And it's tied lawmakers' hands ever since. Anytime they want to raise anyone's income taxes, they have to raise everyone's at once. Since then, income inequality has exploded in Illinois. More than 1 out of every $5 earned in the state goes to the top 1%. That gap, 8th highest nationwide. Even still, executives in that top 3% argue abolishing the flat tax that charges everyone the same rate would open Pandora's box and invite lawmakers to change the rates and brackets at will.
The progressive tax will lead to future tax increases.
Predictions aside, the first progressive or graduated income tax rates would give a small tax cut to everyone earning less than $100,000 a year. Reporting in Springfield, Mark Maxwell.
The chairman of Vote Yes for Fair Tax responded, saying, quote, "It's no surprise that wealthy special interests like the unfair old way of taxing income in Illinois because it's given them a sweet deal for way too long."